یک زن این آینده دیگه زنا را ناامید میسازه و اونا را نمیخواد.
Just imagine somebody like me who endangered my life for the safety and security of all women here to follow up cases, you know, crimes against women. And if I see that this happened to me, they all conspire, you know, against me to remove me from power, then how do you expect to have bright future for the other women in this country?
Ha già risposto al suo futuro? Le avete già fatto la domanda? We want to know with what happened in the future for his job with the new government.
میگن در حکومت جدید کجا میبینیم پریشان خور موقعیت خور در حکومت جدید؟
وی رو باید از رئیس جمهور برین پرسان بکنن که یک زن که کار کرد و زحمت کشید و بر زنا کار کرد آینده از او در کجا خواهد بود.
This question must be asked from the president. Tell him where is the position of a woman who really works, sacrifices time and is, you know, safety and security for the other women's. This is a question that needs to be directed to the president.
ما یک حقوقدان هستم و یک سارنوال هستم و تحصیلات مرا و مسلک مرا هیچ کس از ما گرفته نمی‌تونه.
I'm an expert of law. I'm a prosecutor. Nobody can take that profession from me.
و ما به وظیفه خود مسلک خود یعنی دفاع از حقوق زنا چی خواهد دادم ادامه خواهد.
I will continue to defend women's rights in this country. This is for sure.
The international community can do something.
Okay, thank you. But
Thank you. But the international community can do something.
میگن جامعه بین الملل میتونه کدام کار انجام بده در این قسمت؟
جامعه بین الملل کاری که میتونه اولین کارش مهمش است که ببینه که پولایی که برنامه کمک بر زنا در افغانستان میه بیهوده نره و واقعا بر زنا به مصرف برسانه و دوم از اینکه زنایی که واقعا کار میکنن اونا بر حکومت افغانستان فشار بیاره که اونا باید کار بکنن نه اینکه زنایی که پروتکلیسته.
Well, for the international community, my request is to monitor the money that is spent here on the pretext of defending women's rights. They need to audit where this money is coming and how that money is spent on defending women's rights, and to see whether those women who are working for the support of the other women, so who are working honestly, they must be rewarded, and you know, not just symbolic ones who are just talking about. Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck,
Good luck, Maya.